How to have more. I am unselfish in action, being, and motive. The science of psychology as applied to everyday life is, strictly speaking, a new science. It is a matter of thousands of people in the world all of a sudden coming into contact with certain laws, which make them successful, healthy, and prosperous. It is quite natural because man is interested more in himself than in anyone else that, when he finds these laws may be applied to give him more abundance, the tendency may be to use these laws for selfish purposes. Nothing could be more unpsychological. The laws should be used for the individual but should not stop there. Each individual who is profiting by the operation of the laws or understanding of psychology ought not only to get everything himself that psychology can give him, but he should pass these on to others. He should tell others about it. He should cry it from the housetops and megaphone it from the street corners. He should not want to get everything himself, but wish the same that he has to everyone else. By doing this, the law will rebound, and instead of having less, he will have still more than he could have, were he thinking about the laws for himself alone. The human race is made up of a whole lot of selfishness, and the man or the woman who hopes to get the most out of life and out of psychology must learn at the very beginning of his or her understanding of the laws. Then only will the best come to those who are absolutely unselfish. If there is any selfish motive or selfish desire in your heart, you may operate the law and get a certain amount of benefit. Nay, you may even become rich by it and have great power, but it should not end there. Your riches are for the use of others, as well as for yourselves, and the real psychologist, in getting his riches, will pass on to others that which he has. The real psychologist, in getting more power, will share it with others and will use it for the good of others, as well as for his own personal aggrandizement. Therefore, hold the thought, I am unselfish in action, being, and motive. Many a person never will get the demonstrations he wants, because the channel of abundance and prosperity, happiness and joy, is clogged up with his own selfish attitude. The selfish person who does not operate the laws does so by overbalancing his selfishness with some other great virtue. But when he is extremely selfish, he may never have demonstrations as he wants. He may not have enough other virtues to outweigh his selfishness. He may live for years and know what the laws are, and yet lack this one little thing, unselfishness, in operating the laws for his own abundance, prosperity, or happiness. If you are not having the demonstrations you want, it is because there is a kink in the mind somewhere. The kink may be selfishness, or it may be pride, haughtiness, duplicity, dishonesty, hatred, envy, or jealousy. This time we are going to hold the thought, I am unselfish in action, being, and motive, and each time we go into the silence, this unselfish spirit shall be the guiding star of our thoughts. It will be the personal touch with the infinite spirit itself. The beginning of life's happiness, as well as the end thereof, is the spirit of unselfishness. I am unselfish in action, being, and motive.